Good morning, friends. We are at Kids Haven Kericho, and this is why you should focus on bringing your kids in an environment that is friendly, lovely enough, whereby they can play, enjoy, and get to learn the system of life. So this is why I would like to recommend the Kids Haven.
As we enter Kids Haven, safety takes center stage. Notice the vibrant artwork on the walls? These aren't just decorations, they're lessons. Here, even the youngest learners understand fire safety through playful visuals and practice drills. Every detail is designed to protect and empower. Step into the classrooms, and you'll see life skills in action. These little ones aren't just reciting numbers, they're mastering kindness, responsibility, and self-care. The walls themselves teach, turning every corner into a classroom. Guided by passionate educators like Teacher Philia, learning goes beyond books. Students become eco-heroes, planting trees, protecting rivers, and advocating for wildlife. Meet Ayla, a 5-year-old on a mission. I want lions and forests to stay forever. Here, every child grows into a guardian of our planet. Parents don't just visit, they engage. At Kids Haven, progress reports come with warmth and cake, blending accountability with joy. This is where communities collide to raise thinkers, dreamers, and doers.
Ready? You're ready to go to school? Nice.
Kids Haven isn't just a school, it's a movement, a place where safety, skill, and love for Earth bloom early. I've watched this vision grow, and this is the change Africa needs. Join them, nurture them. This is Kids Haven.
Thumbs up.
We protect.